beginner's guide to Web 3.0. Everything you need to know. You've heard about Web 3.0, the next version of the World Wide Web, but you're not quite sure what it is and how it will affect your online life. Don't worry, it's actually pretty easy to understand once you get the basics down. This beginner's guide to Web 3.0 will tell you everything you need to know about this new and exciting development in the internet realm, as well as introduce you to a few new terms so that you'll be in the know when your tech-savvy friends are talking about it at parties and other social outings. Cryptela is your #1 stop for crypto news so that way you can stay in touch with the crypto market. Hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to keep yourself updated with our crypto updates. Also, check out our website, www.cryptela.com. The history of the internet. The internet is a series of computers linked together through an online communication protocol, also known as TCP/IP, and networks often referred to as the cloud. It was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 as a way for scientists to share data with each other more efficiently. The web we use today can be traced back to 1990, when he released his first version of it publicly. Since then, it has continually expanded, an early example of what we now call social media. In 1995, Microsoft created its own browser called Internet Explorer, which soon became one of the most popular ways to access websites. This led to what's known as browser wars between Microsoft and Netscape Communications Corporation, another software company that created its own browser called Navigator. In 1998, Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Stanford University. Their search engine soon became one of the most popular ways to find information on the internet. By 2000, Facebook had been launched. It currently has over 2 billion users worldwide. Mobile devices have also become increasingly popular. Smartphones were introduced in Japan during 1999, but they didn't become available in North America until 2007. The concept behind Web 3.0. Web 2.0 is one of those technological shifts that everyone talks about, but no one can pinpoint when it happened or what it means for users like us, and for marketers like us as well. What does 2.0 mean? And what was before it? What will be after it? In short, what is Web 3.0? Before we dive into what exactly 3.0 is, let's take a look at what came before it. Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Then we'll examine how things are shaping up today in terms of social media marketing strategies and how Web 3.0 might change things in the future. Are you ready? Let's go. What is Web 1.0? The early days. When most people think back on what life was like during the early days of the internet, they think back to 1995 and 2000. Remember getting your first email address and sending messages to your friends from AOL Instant Messenger? Remember GeoCities pages with music playing automatically in MIDI format? How about WordPerfect 6? If you're under 30 years old, then these are probably not memories that come rushing back with such fondness. But there were a lot of good things happening during these days too. Kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you're enjoying what's happening here on Cryptela in this video. What does Web 3.0 mean? It's pretty simple. Web 2.0 refers to anything related to social media or online collaboration, while Web 3.0 refers to anything related to artificial intelligence or machine learning. Although they sound like they might be separate things, they actually go hand in hand with one another, and both will impact your business sooner than you think. What is AI? AI, which is short for artificial intelligence, refers to any system designed to mimic human behavior as closely as possible. But there are many different types of AI systems out there, depending on what kind of task they perform best at solving. How Web 3.0 works. Web 3.0 is a collective term given to emerging technologies that are meant to improve upon and make a better version of today's World Wide Web, or just the web. These technologies such as IPFS, Ethereum, and Siacoin are just starting out, and there will be many more on their way in the coming years as well. Web 6.0, Internet 2. As far as that goes, it's complicated. Why should you care about Web 3.0? The internet is evolving quickly, and one thing is for sure, it's never boring. That's why you should learn about Web 3.0, what it is, why it's important, and how it will affect you. So let's review. Web 3.0 refers to a new version of web-based technology that claims to improve upon what we have now in terms of speed, security, and accessibility. It includes a wide range of technologies including blockchain technology, which powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. But what do these things mean? How do they work? And what are they used for? Let's review that. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology was first developed as part of cryptocurrency platforms such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, its uses go far beyond digital currencies. In fact, it has been described as the future of the internet. So what exactly does that mean? Well, blockchains are essentially ledgers or databases where transactions are recorded chronologically and publicly. This means information cannot be tampered with or altered without leaving evidence behind. What is machine learning? Machine learning involves teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In other words, by using algorithms based on statistical models derived from examples in large datasets, rather than hard-coded rules written by people. How can you profit from it? The web is getting a makeover, which means that all of our businesses are about to change too, no matter what we do for a living. In short, Web 3.0 isn't just another upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. In order to survive an increasingly digital world, we must adapt quickly by learning new skills and creating innovative solutions for our customers. The good news? There are plenty of ways to start profiting from Web 3.0 today. That's all for now from Cryptela, the world's leading crypto news platform. Stay tuned and share this video with your friends and keep them updated on crypto as well. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.